Hi, good morning. Paul here, the Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Today is August 21st, 2019. Let's see what's going on with our greater Las Vegas real estate market. Let's see, we have new today, already this morning, 13 new listings. They range from the low end, the little, single family home, 1,336 square feet. Interesting. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1-car garage. Wow. For 185, must be a short sale or something. Huh. Looks like it's been recently refurbished. Don't know what the outside looks like. So where is it? Nellis and Las Vegas Boulevard, over by our Air Force Base. Okay. Just seems like that's a pretty nice small bedrooms. Looks like it's a fairly good value, $185,000. Oh, it is a 2-story. Okay, 2-story 1-car garage. That means it's straight up and down. That's what I missed. Yeah, that part right there. Okay, then the highest price. And so no pictures here on this one that came on the market today. 5,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 6 baths, 4-car garage, pool, and spa. It's too bad they put it on the market without having any pictures. Okay, then yesterday, and this 716 square foot condo coming on the market. 1 story. $77 on Golden by the airport. Okay. Then we go to Garden Rain. 1475, 3,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, pool, and spa. Contemporary. Looks nice though. Nice outdoor living area. Pool, spa, that looks really nice. Expensive backyard. Flamingo and Town Center over there, okay. Alright, well, that's that. Let's go to nice. That's 519 in contract. What has sold the last couple of days? 103. Reported today. Single family, 1,600 square foot, 2-story house. Okay. Somerset and Valley View. Over in the other side of the freeway. Okay. 6 days. That one sold quick. Wow. Okay. Then, yesterday, this little out of the area. Curious as to what this looks like. Ah, a nice little shack. Interior garage. And where is it? It is in White Pine, City of Ruth. $32,000. Quite a few of them closed yesterday, so we had 111 closed yesterday, 110. Highest price, $2.265. Wow. 66, almost 6,700 square foot, 4 bedroom, 7 bath, 3 car garage, pool spa, built in 06. One picture, one day, that thing sold immediately in Spanish Hills. Half an acre. Nice little area over there, right off the freeway there. Okay. So, that's about it for right now. Just glancing through here to see where these sales are. And of course, they're all over the friggin' place. Nothing really clustered. A little cluster there and a little cluster there. Okay. 8 minutes in here. So what did we have the last couple of days? As far as open escrows go in single family homes, 279. Anywhere from 73,000 over in looks like Paili to 2.3 million in Napa Bellagio. I think that's out in Lake Las Vegas. Nope, Southern Highlands. Way off. And what was that? Nice view property. Beautiful property. Nice. Okay. That was it. So 11 properties over $1 million went into escrow yesterday. That's interesting. So a couple of them down here, one there, and over here. It's all over the place. Alright, well I think that's it for today. You have a wonderful day. Talk to you next time.